and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those who don't know me, my name is Blaze and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you are new to my channel and you do want to be a part of my growing family, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. It would help me out a lot and I would love for you to stay and join the fun with me. Also, if you do like this video, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It shows me that you like my content and I should keep bringing out content like this. So lately I've been watching a heap load of vlog videos from a few different YouTubers. I've really been liking vlog videos lately, and I know in the past I have filmed a few vlogs before. So if you do want me to continue doing vlogs or videos like this, then definitely give me a big thumbs up. That way I kind of know if you're into these kind of videos or not. Ow! My cat's biting my foot. Ow! Say hey to the video. Say hey. He's so not interested. Hi. Oh, did you hear that meow? All right, go away now. Ow, stop biting my foot. Ow, stop, ow, I'm not playing. Go play with something else. Also, don't forget I'm doing post notification shout outs. So if you do want to become a part of the post notification squad, all you have to do is click that bell down below and I'll shout you out in my next video. So in today's video, as you can probably already tell, today I'm doing, it's kind of like a Sunday vlog. I'm doing like a Sunday vlog cleaning kind of video, like a cleaning routine, because I feel like most people, or anyways I do a lot of my cleaning on a Sunday. So I do clean during the week, but I feel like Sunday is when you really get down to the nitty gritty. You really scrub the floors, you vacuum, wipe down the cupboards, all that kind of stuff. I feel like Sunday is your cleaning day. So I thought this would be a fun video to film because I haven't really done one of these on my channel before. So I also just did a little bit of grocery shopping, just picked up a few pieces for the house. And I also had to go past Kmart and get a few things. This is like so weird standing up, like I'm in a completely different area of the house. I'm actually currently in my lounge room. I've got my kitchen behind me and yeah, my background's not the nicest. I've got a bloody garbage bin there. I got bottles from a party that happened on Friday night, which is why I have to scrub this house clean. And then I've got my shopping in this corner. So yes, I'm sorry, it's not the nicest style background, but hey, it's a cleaning video, so I'm gonna clean it up anyways. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So also, sorry, don't mind my hair. It's really fluffy and wavy at the moment. I literally washed it this morning because it just felt really disgusting when I woke up this morning. So I just washed my hair, put on a bit of makeup, feeling fresh, you know. Now I do most of my shopping at Aldi and Coles. Today I just went to Aldi, I didn't actually go to Coles. So I'll just show you a few of the things that I picked up there and I'll show you what I got from Kmart and then we'll get into the clean. So I just got some Weet-Bix, love this stuff. I also got some Fruity Rings. These are like the equivalent to Fruit Loops, but I think it's just the rip-off brand, you know, Aldi as they do, but their food's just actually really good. So yeah, got Fruity Rings, Weet-Bix. I also got some more cereal. I got extra cereal antioxidant, but it's just crisp cereals with sultana, sweetened blueberry bites, cranberries and raspberries. So yum, love this. I also got some Polar Bars, cookies and cream. So it's just like 4 mini ice creams. Me and Lockie love to snack. I know it's really bad. Like I'm trying to actually be really healthy, but sometimes we just can't help it. Everyone loves to snack. Come on. I also got some paper towels. You can't go wrong with paper towels. I literally stock up on paper towels all the time because I literally go through them like water. I then got some English muffins. I love these. I then just got some more cereal. I got Honey Nut Cornflakes. Again, this is like Crunchy Nut. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. I haven't had Crunchy Nut or anything like Crunchy Nut in like years, and I saw it today and I was like, I'm gonna get myself some of them. They look good. I then just got some apple and mango juice. Love this stuff. Like honestly, I can drink a whole bottle of this in like a couple of days. It's so freaking good. But I try and limit myself because I know it does have a bit of sugar in it, but it's just so damn good. Now I know what you're thinking, all right? I know what you're thinking. Girl, you are so unhealthy. You have the most unhealthy foods you've bought. Keep in mind, this is not our whole shop. We do have healthy things already in our cupboards and fridge. This is just things that like we've eaten and I've needed to stock back up on, okay? So don't judge a girl just yet. Don't judge a girl. But this, oh my God, so good. So yum. I then got some mozzarella cheese. Again, you can't go wrong with cheese. I literally put cheese with everything. Again, not that healthy, but so damn good. I also then got some onion rings. Then I just got some Cadbury drinking chocolate. Again, I hadn't had this in a while and I felt like drinking a hot chocolate, so I was like, I'm gonna get myself some of this. And then I just got some biscuits. These are the caramels, milk chocolate caramels. These are kind of like the equivalent to chocolate crowns, if you know what they are. So they're really good, and they're like $1.50 each, so why not just get two? Then got a soft taco kit. So this comes with like 10 tacos. It comes with like the sauce and all that. It's like a little mini kit. It's really good. I've been getting these quite often actually. I love tacos. Like me and Lockie have like a taco night every week basically. So I also got some toothpaste, nothing exciting. I've never had this before, but they were only $1.50. It's called Food and the Salted Caramel Chocolate Mousse. So I thought that would be a cute little dessert for me and Lockie. I also just got some corn as well. These are really cheap. This is only like 90 cents. And then the last few items I got is just some chicken noodles. Me and Lockie love our noodles. And then we just got some Titans and Jives. I think it's called Jive and Titans. This is like the equivalent to a Twix, and this is like the equivalent to a Mars bar, but low-key think they taste a bit better. Okay, so that was it for my little shopping kind of haul that I did today. But yeah, so I'll quickly run through what I got from Kmart. It wasn't a whole lot of stuff, so I didn't want to make like a massive video of it. But I thought while I'm here, I'll show you guys anyways. The first thing I got from Kmart is this container here. It actually comes with 2 containers. This is the store and pour containers. So this is what we put our cereal in, and it comes with it's a 2-pack. I also got this cute little, I don't actually know what this is, this cute little wire cutlery holder. So it's actually a cutlery holder, but I'm actually using it to store my sponges, my scrubber, and everything for the sink. And because you know your girl is doing up her cupboards, I had to get some containers. This is actually, where does it say? This is the preserving jars from Kmart. So I got a 1,000 ml one, which is like the really big ones. I got like the little ones. This is only 120 ml, so these are like really cute. And last but not least, I then got another set. This is the 3 preserving jars. So, the 3 preserving jars, 550 ml. So I got those as well. But yeah, so that was basically my shop that I did today. It wasn't anything too, ow, he's biting my foot again. All right, I'm just gonna have to hold him while I say this because he's biting my feet. But yeah, so it wasn't like a major shop, but I just needed to obviously pick up a few things for the house. Okay, so now that we've got through that bit, I'm gonna bring you along and we're gonna clean up my apartment. Also, on Friday night, it was Lockie's birthday party, so we did have a party slash kind of gathering for him at our apartment. There was quite a few people here, so it did get a bit messy. So now I'm just gonna clean it all up. I am back. I have finished cleaning. It literally took me 2.5 hours to clean. Like, seriously. 2.5 to 3 hours to clean this bloody apartment. I mean, I know that we had like a party here on Friday, and had we not had a party, it probably wouldn't have taken me as long. But because we had people over, the place was a bit messy, I needed to do a lot of things, vacuum, mop, etc. But yeah, so literally my day has consisted of doing the shopping, going to Kmart, and cleaning the house. And it is literally about 4:30 in the afternoon now. I feel like I need something to eat. I'll probably start organizing dinner soon. And I'm just gonna have a chilled one. It's so hot. I need to go have a shower, put the aircon in my apartment. Like, it is boiling. It's probably boiling because I've been doing like literally so much. But I need to tie my hair up. I'm like, hot. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. It was fun to kind of figure out angles and stuff around the apartment. But yeah, definitely don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this kind of style of video. It's like a vlog kind of style. I don't know. Just let me know what you think. If you do want to see more vlogs, definitely pop a comment down below and let me know, or give this video a like. I had a lot of fun filming it. I actually don't mind this angle. Maybe because it makes me look a bit skinnier. Look, I even did my eyes today. I haven't really been doing eye makeup either. I've just been kind of doing a wing and some lashes or something like that, like something like real damn simple. But I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it? I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Come join my little family here, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.